Welcome to the Property Investors YouTube channel, which I believe to be the richest, rawest and realest property investors resource on the whole of the internet. Every single Monday at 7 p.m, I'm going to be doing a Mentoring Monday video. And between 7 and 8 p.m, every single Monday, I personally am going to be commenting and responding to all the questions that you have on Mentoring Mondays. Wednesdays, we have Winners on a Wednesday. Every week at 7 p.m, I'm going to be bringing onto the show my success students, and they're going to be revealing in depth through an interview exactly how they're succeeding in property with new strategies and cutting edge techniques. I'm also going to be producing a video every single Friday as well at 7 p.m. The first Friday of the month is going to be me out on the road buying live property deals. Second Friday of the month is going to be deep dive discussions where I bring in experts to discuss particular property topics. Third Friday of the month, you're going to see me filmed coaching my students one-on-one accelerated coaching. Fourth Friday of the month is going to be an invitation to you to come and attend some of our training programs. It's going to be a show reel. And the fifth Friday of the month, there's not that many fifth Fridays, but when there is, it's going to be me giving you a kick up the ass, making you take action and implement the stuff that you've been learning throughout the rest of the year. So if you're a property investor or on your journey to financial freedom, my suggestion is get some popcorn, hit subscribe, and join the family.